Hey guys, what's up? It's Evan back with a video. Today I'm gonna be doing a room tour. So yeah, here it is. I'm gonna start when I first get in. Alright, here we go. So this is my closet. Sorry for the left. This is my closet of all my stuff in it, my football stuff, my Legos and all of that stuff, and here I'm just gonna turn the light on so it's easier. This is what I made color me mine or something like that, yeah. And I made the Yankees stadium or the Yankees players. Made guy batting. And then the catcher, pitcher, because I was a Yankees player for Halloween, for one of my Halloweens. That's my bag. Speaking of bag, I'm going to the pool today, so I'm just put my bag over there. Here's my fire ladders in case there's a fire. There's all my stuff because I'm moving in 5 weeks. And yeah, there's all my baseball cards and football cards inside there. And then yeah, so here, like and sub. Here, I'm going to show you. I'm showing you more. Yeah, shut this light off. All right, so now. Oh wait, what? Why is there poop? All right. Well, now I'm here at my desk. Here's my my school iPad, Mitchell Trubisky. I might need him. And here's my stuff. This is everything inside here. I got my Switch. I got my old sketchbook. I got my baseball cards. I got my picture of my dog. And then yeah, here my picture of my guinea pig, Alvin, and my dog, Country. And then yeah, so here I'm gonna show you my bed. This is my bed. Not very exciting, but yeah, I sleep on it. And then here's the outside of my room. I'll show you from each window. Yeah, and then here is my chair. This is my trophies. Here's first where all the places I went. This is from the Cubs game. John Lesnar, and here's my thing from Mexico. It says Mexico on the bottom. It doesn't say that, but yeah. I went to New York. I went to Michigan to my lake house. That's what I got, blue football. This is just from Color My. I didn't go to Dubai, but my dad got it for me. He got the tower. And then moving down, this is my, oh my God, look at me. You see how big I am? Wow. That's me when I was with my principal. And then this is my family on 4th of July. This is for art class. I made this too, but it fell down. The painters broke it. Painters. And then here is for flag football. I'm doing tackle football next year. The community house flag football, basketball. Also the Jody Harrison community house. 2017, 2016, I was young. This is my championship. I didn't win, but I lost by the Hinsdale Little League World Series runner-up. And this is a decapitated trophy when I was younger. Hinsdale Little League, Interest of Little League, 2015. And this is my thing I got from the Brookfield Zoo. And yeah, and then here's all my books. My plate I made for my frog. And being the frogs, this is my one frog. My sister also has one. His cage and my fish gill. His tail fell off because it was too sharp for him to see. And speaking of gill, I had to feed him. Alright. So I just used this stuff behind the cage. I got everything behind the cage, if you can see. And then here's my little light for him at nighttime. I could turn it on. And then here's my fish food, betta fish food. So I just open it up like that. I take a little pinch like this big. I put it in there. Then, as you can see, I put it back behind there. And then this is my swim stuff for today, the pool. And then this is Toby's boat, my sister's boat. This is where I keep all my clothes in. All my clothes. All my pajamas. Barely have any. So yeah, back to the door. So this is my room. From up high. Bedroom, closet, all that. So bye. See ya. Like and sub.